Hey guys, my name is Megan and I'm a designer here at Ethos, Aveda, Salon, and Medspa, and I'm here to talk to you guys about the new and exciting Aveda Botanical Repair shampoo and conditioning system. So we are going to open up our Aveda Botanical Repair system and see what we have. Okay, so I'm going to talk to you guys about our strengthening shampoo and conditioner. We're going to go over our leave-in treatment and two separate masks that we also have that look like this. So I'm going to start shampooing her hair with the Botanical Repair Strengthening Shampoo. This is going to repair her hair and strengthen it with building bonds, removing excess sebum, removing product buildup and pollution that also damages the hair. And it's 94% naturally derived, which is even better. To use on my client is the Botanical Repair Strengthening Conditioner. This is going to lightly condition for everyday use without weighing the hair down, and it's going to leave her hair soft, smooth, and shiny. Kristen has a medium to coarser hair type, so I chose the Rich Strengthening Mask. It has twice the amount of plant lipids than the other mask, just to penetrate a thicker hair cortex. And now we're going to let sit 2 to 5 minutes. Alright, so the leave-in treatment is going to protect your hair up to 450 degrees and from UV light. So anything that the sun can do with drying. Okay, so this is our finished product. So I blew out Kristen's hair with simply just the leave-in treatment, and it is definitely silkier, smoother, shiny, and it feels super healthy and strong. Thank you guys so much for watching my tutorial on the Aveda Botanical Repair System. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you want to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much.